Want to talk to your phone and get answers instantly? Setting up Hey Google takes just a moment, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's unlock hands-free help. Here's how to enable the Hey Google voice command on your Android phone. Open the Google app or find Google Assistant in your app drawer. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Google Assistant, scroll down and tap Voice Match. Ensure the default assistant is set to Google Assistant, not Gemini or another service. Turn on the toggle for Hey Google. Train your voice by saying the phrase a few times. Customize further in Assistant voice and sound. Now you can say, Hey Google, from any screen. And just like that, your phone is ready for your voice commands. If this setup guide was helpful, please give this video a like, it supports the channel. Need help with another phone feature? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.